Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Yeah.
I'm going to do, I'm fine. Blazing, okay. Using the oxy-acetylene. So already I have this as my blowpipe or torch. You can say blowpipe or you can say torch. This is for welding, okay. This one is for cutting. So there's an adjustment here. So I can detach this and then fix this for the cutting, okay. I think we have this as our oxygen control valve and then acetylene control valve, okay. We have this for the acetylene hose and then the oxygen hose. I have here as my flux, powdered flux. If we have powdered, we have liquid, okay. So this is the powdered one. Are you okay? Powdered, okay. Powdered as it is. And some are liquid. And we also have paste. Paste is when it is moist. So we have the powdered, the paste, and then the liquid. Okay, liquid is in the form of water. I have this as my brass. So brass rod, okay. Of course, brass is an alloy. I think a copper and zinc. Give it brass. I have my spark lighter. This is my spark lighter. All right, so we're going to start. A special goggle for blazing, okay. Normal ones are for cutting and then welding and grinding. But this is ideal for the gas welding and cutting, so that you see the flame as green, okay, and not yellow. Sorry, I forgot. This is a stove, okay, stove. So gas stove, okay. This is stove, yeah, stove. For cooking at the kitchen, but it is leaking. So I'm going to braze this one and then this one. So my oxidizing frame, I say oxidizing, carburizing frame is here. Now I can adjust. So I'm now going to introduce the oxygen. So you see that the acetylene is gone and the smoke too is gone. Now I can adjust to neutral frame. Equal oxygen and equal acetylene, okay. We have this as carburizing, this one. So carburizing frame, this neutral, and then oxidizing, okay. And because of the brazing, we use the oxidizing frame. All right, please open the flux. So preheating is done. I come closer. So preheating is done continuously. Then the brass is also heated, then dipped inside the flux. Then the flux will now adhere to the brass. Now for the brazing.
Then
You shall block my view. How do you do? That's how you should. Come here. And sometimes you can preheat it for it to melt well. Okay. So preheat before adding the glass. Make sure it is always coated by the flux, or fusion will not take place. Then you can melt it. If I want to hold it like this, okay, you can end it.